I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth. Hey lovebirds, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by Beautyforeverhair. Shout out to you, Beauty Forever, for sending me this unit. This unit right here, I'm showing you guys the cap construction. This unit comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. This is a 13x4 lace wig. It's 150% density, and it is a kinky curly texture, and it is 20 inches long. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much all the details that I'm gonna give you guys right now. If you are interested in more details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Y'all, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so this unit was sent to me by Beautyforeverhair. Shout out to you, Beauty Forever, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Okay, so I am rocking the 13x4 lace 150% density kinky curly wig, and I do have this unit in 20 inches. I'm gonna go on their site and see can I find it, because they didn't send me a direct link to it. I think I know which one it is, but child, I could be wrong, because they got like 300-500 kinky curlies on here. I'm talking about 300-500. How you go from 3 to 500? But I think it's the Beauty Forever realistic lace front wig kinky curly 150% density human hair wig. This wig does range from 10 to 24 inches, and as I stated, I do have it in 20 inches, and you can only get this wig in 150% density. That is the only density that they have. And okay, so what they have on here, it says brand Beauty Forever, like duh. The hair color is a natural color. Like I said, you can get it from 10 to 24 inches. It says wig style, lace front, hand woven, cap size average. So it only comes in an average cap size, so keep that in mind. It says the texture is kinky curly. It has slightly bleached knot, pre-plucked natural hairline, glueless with baby hair around the perimeter. And yeah, that's pretty much all the details and specs that they have on here. And like I said, I'm not 100% sure if it's this one, but I think it is. Like, to me, this seems the one that's closest to the one that I have on. If you were to get, because honey, they got the 10 inch to 12 inches like knocked out, so I guess they sold that, child. Okay, so if you get it in 14 inches, it's $102. which isn't bad. That's not bad at all. And if you get it in 20 inches, which is what I have, it'll be $177. So the price range is not bad at all. Shout out to them. Now, as far as the cap construction, this unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. As they stated, it does come with baby hair around the perimeter, and the hairline looks really good, y'all. Like, I didn't do anything extra to it. I feel like the hairline looks good and it looks really, really realistic. It might be lifting. Child is lifting. That's a team, my bad. But you guys can see the hairline looks really good. And I think the parting space is decent. But mind you, there is weft right here. So I kind of did like a C part, which means like I kind of went over there. But I want you guys to know that. So it is a 13x4. That is pretty typical with a lot of my 13x4 units. Now this wig is kinky curly. So I did, when I was pulling the curls apart, I did hit some snags. To me, that is pretty common with all of my kinky curly wigs. I have had a few that didn't, but it is like, especially the ones that look like this that really give you that nice kinky curly look. I always have a few snags here and there. Just think your own hair, okay? Like, well, if you have like 4C hair or in the 4 range hair, then honey, I know you used to a few kinks here and there, okay, child? Like, you know, you hit them snags. So it's kind of like that with these wigs. Now it is shedding some too, so I want you guys to be mindful of that. Like when I pulled the curls apart, it did shed, which is also kind of standard with my kinky curly wigs. Like, child, I don't know why, but honey, that's just what they do. So yeah, it doesn't shed when I'm just wearing it, but it was shedding when I was pulling those curls apart. So keep that in mind as well. Anything else I want to say? I did say it's a 13x4 unit. I did part it in the middle, but I mean on the side. And I'm wearing it on the right side, but you can part it wherever you want to. You can part it on the right side, left side, because it's still a 13x4. So you do have a lot of parting space in there. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a quick lint check, and then we can talk about how I feel about this unit. Child, I'm telling you, these bra straps look like they killing me, but they actually don't hurt, or I'm used to it hurting. I don't know, child. It may be a chronic illness at this point, child. But if you're top heavy, you get what I'm saying, girl. You get what I'm saying. Okay, so let me do a lint check. I'm gonna be lazy and do a lint check sitting down for the front because, honey, I feel like this shirt is see-through and you're gonna be able to see my bra. And I know y'all get tired of seeing my bra, honey. So this is where the hair comes to me. Okay, keep in mind I am 5'4". And stretched out, it is 20 inches. So keep in mind, how often do I say keep in mind, child? Don't judge me. This unit is 20 inches stretched out, but it's not gonna be 20 inches, you know. If you wanted actual 20 inches, you probably would need like 24 inches, child. Okay, so I want you guys to keep that in mind. This is 20 inches stretched out. So be wary of that, girl. Can you see it? So yeah, that's that. So now we can get into how I feel about this wig. If you are interested in that, then please continue to watch. Okay, so honestly, y'all, you already know how I feel about this wig, honey. I love a good kinky curly. Kinky curly is my favorite texture. Like, if you've been watching me for a minute, you already know kinky curly is just my texture. It's just a look to me. I feel like it looks really, really natural. I love how nice the hairline look. I was gonna put some baby hairs in this unit, and I was like, no, girl, she don't need it. She don't need any baby hairs, honey. She's bomb like this. So I didn't add any baby hairs, and I feel like it looks really good just like this. I hope you guys can see. I hate when I do that. So yeah, I feel like it just didn't need it. I think it is a really, really nice, natural looking wig. And I'm in love, honey. She is like big her, don't care. I did not apply any product to this wig whatsoever. I didn't even brush it or anything. I just used my hands and pulled the curls apart. And I achieved the look that I had in my head by doing so. So yeah, I like it. I think she's a look. It's not a whole lot that I even have to say about it because she's a look, she's a vibe, she's it, girl. Okay, so I'm feeling it. Let me know down below if you're feeling it. Do you think she's a look? Is she cute to you too, girl? Let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So as I stated, I'm feeling it. It's a look to me. Let me know if it's a look to you down below in the comments. And yeah, that's it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click the subscribe button. And if you're not already follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Held to Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.